Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll show you how we can paint a beautiful leaf. This leaf is from Alocasia family and it has multiple varieties, so we are going to paint one of them, which is easy, and I'm going to show you a simple way to paint a leaf having multiple colors and shades of green into it. So we need to create a basic shape of leaf. So for that you can create a V kind of shape at the top, and then you can create a nice leaf kind of shape. You can definitely refer to any reference photo if you have any, or else you can paint something like this. This is more like a heart shape but little different from that. And then you can rub the unwanted pencil mark and make sure you're able to see the pencil mark. And then you can create some vines that we see into the leaf area, which is simple. You can create a line in the middle and then multiple sub branches from there based on the width of leaf that you have. Now we are going to layer multiple colors. So for that I'm using ultramarine blue for the first layering, and I'm going around the sub branches that we have created, and I'm roughly creating these patterns. So I need little wavy and zigzag kind of pattern around the edge and little thickness. So I'm creating something like this. I want this into green color, but when you do this with the help of blue color and then we are doing some layering around it, you will get nicer effect, and this is the easy way to do. So you can try something like this for a change, and you can use any shade of blue. So usually in these kind of leaves we see multiple shades of green and different other color as well. So this one is more towards green side only, and I need different shades of green. So trust me, this is the easiest way to paint something like this. There are multiple ways to paint a leaf, but when you do like this, you will make your life easier. So once done with the blue color, now I'm done with the blue color. As you can see, I have painted all the branches and sub branches that I had, and based on which branch I need a little thicker and finer, you can paint that way with the help of blue color. Now I'm using green color, so you can mix more yellow and less blue to make light green color, and then you can go around the leaf area. We are not doing anything for the blue area that we have painted, but we are doing rest other area, but I'm also leaving couple of space blank or as is. These space is called negative space, so we are keeping those area blank, and I'm doing it purposefully. So if you want, you can have more white space, but I'm keeping couple of area little lighter and couple of area little darker when it comes to the green color, and couple of area just white, just as is. And now you can see a leaf shape. So let it be like this. And let it dry completely, because for the next step we need the sheet absolutely dry. So for that you can use either hair dryer or any other medium, or else you can keep it aside for drying process. Now with the help of another green color, in this particular step you can use more yellow and lesser green kind of shade, but I'm using this particular shade of green wherein I have mixed more yellow and less blue, little lighter than the previous green that we have used. And then you can layer it, which means we are going to paint every area of my leaf with this particular shade. Now when green mix or when yellow mix with green, you will automatically get a different shade of green altogether. So because of that, you have darker shade of green which is more towards blue side. You have lighter shade of green because in previous layer we have green color as well, and couple of area in between we have the lightest shade of green because we have white area. And that's the beauty of layering and how simple it is. As you can see, we have already painted a beautiful leaf, I guess. Now mix blue and black together to have more darker color. So this is almost like a black color only, but hint of blue as well into it. And then I'm going around my vine area and creating the same lines and pattern again with the help of darker color, so that we can have more darker shade in between. Now in this particular step, my sheet is already wet, so this color gonna spread little bit, so you will not see the fine lines, but that is something needed, so that is why I am doing it on the wet sheet. So either you can keep it like this and directly jump into the next step, or else you can do one more layering of color. So for that, half area I want to make it little darker and half area I want to make things little lighter. So I have mixed more green into my previous shade of black and greenish kind of color, and I'm going around left side and making it little darker. It is totally optional. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. And then right side of the leaf I want to make it little lighter, so I'm going with the yellow color and making one more layer. And because of this, we are going to have little vibrant green at one side and dark green on the another side. So I think I'm pretty much happy with these kind of shades into my leaf. Now again, you have to let it dry completely, so make sure your sheet have dried completely before moving to the next step. Now with the help of white color, and because I'm using watercolor only, you can use acrylic color or gouache for that matter, but I don't have it as of now, so I'm using watercolor itself. And I'm using very concentrated color of white so that we can see a little bit of white, because using white on the watercolor is difficult, so better to use very concentrated color of white. And then you can start creating vines with the help of white color. Now we need some white patches at one side of my leaf, so again make sure you're using very concentrated color of white color, and then you can create little bit of patches of white, little bigger, smaller, random pattern of white at one area of this particular leaf. This is more like pattern, you can say, or a shiny effect into the leaf, you can say. And that is how we are going to finish this one. So this is totally optional. If you want, you can do it. You can do these patches with the help of black color also, because these kind of leaves comes in multiple varieties, so you never know what kind of leaf we have in general. And we're done with today's video. I'm hoping this video is easy for you guys and easy to follow, and let me know if you have any kind of feedback for me. And thank you so much for watching. See you all in the next video.